Yan ang ginagawa nila ay basic angle of striking number 1 with ranging footwork. Yan ang ginagawa.
Number 2 na. 90 right. 90 left. 180 right. 180 left. Okay, number 3. 45 right. 45 left. 90 right. 90 left. Biatoy. 180 right. 180 left. Okay. Number 4. Up position. 45 right. 45 left.
Basic angle striking number 4 with ranging footwork. Yan.
180 left. Okay, close position. 45 right. 45 left. 90 right. 90 left. 180 right. 180 left.
Yan, ang ginagawa nila ay
Number 5.
ranging footwork.
45 right.
Yan, 45 right daw, sabi ni Lacanarbi.
45 left.
45 left naman. Yan ang sukat niyan.
90 right.
90 right. With thrusting yung ginagawa nila.
90 left.
90 left.
180 right.
Naka 180 right naman sa backward.
180 left.
180 left backward. Yan.
Number 6. Ready.
Okay, basic angle striking number 6.
1.
4 count.
45 left. Get out. 90 right. Reset. 90 left.
90 left.
180 right. 180 left.
Sa mga gusto
Okay, number 7.
matuto at mag-aral ng Filipino martial art, pumunta lang dito sa malapit sa area namin sa Punturin, Valenzuela.
90 right. 90 left. 180 right. 180 left. Okay. Number 8. Ready.
Basic angle striking number 8 yan with ranging footwork.
90 right. 1, 2. 90 left. 180 right. 180 left. Okay. Number 9.
Basic angle striking number 9, 8 count.
Ilang? 45 left. 90 right. 90 left. 90 right.
Anniversary po namin ngayon, second anniversary namin ng Jack Nicol System. Second year anniversary ng activation ng Jack Nicol System.
Okay. Number 10. Ready.
Okay, basic angle striker ng basic angle striking number 10, 11 count na yan.
7, 8, 9, 8, 7, down. 45 left. 90 right. 90 left. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,